Testing. Testing. Testing 1, 2, 3. I think we are live. I think we are live. I think we're good to go. Good morning. Good morning. Hello. Good evening to you. How are you today? I hope you guys are having a wonderful Thursday. It is time. It's game time. We got a lot of things to talk about today. A lot of people are questioning whether hold on. I'm messing up already. I'm getting a lot of messages again regarding the reason behind BTC dominance over the altcoins. Hello. Welcome. Ladies and gentlemen, we are live Monday to Friday, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. PH time. And we are just special announcement to the new people that are logging in and or will be watching this in the future. We are giving away $200 at the end of the month. The goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of June, and we'll be picking 2 winners live. So all you gotta do is just like and subscribe to the video, and we appreciate your support. Thank you so much. A little bit of a bull flag here on BTC, waiting for that to break out and break above 38K. Once we break above 38K, we are heading towards the next target of 41K BTC. All right. So the message that I've been getting is, why is BTC going up and why are the altcoins not going up? But when BTC goes down, everything else goes down with it, right? We're going to be talking about that today. We are going to be talking about prolonged alt season. Okay. So for now, we just wait, we just sit back, relax, and let BTC pretty much recover all the way up to 100%. BTC, just a blue line. What blue line? Right here? You talking about this one? Yeah, it could go down and touch this. So that would be your blue flag right there. If you can see that. All right. So you're going to start to see a bit of a bounce here. So right now it's hitting the 38K resistance, which is if you zoom out a little bit, right? We got a 38K resistance here. What we need is for that to break. But the good thing is that we're trading above the EMAs. That's what we've been hoping BTC would do, because since it hasn't done that, right? Ever since the drop from here, right? Let's see here. Wait a second. Oh, there we go. All right. So we haven't done this in quite a while. Okay. So this is very important level for BTC currently. what we need to do is let BTC break above, right? As you can see, we have resistance right there. Okay, so sometime here in the next couple hours today, we should see BTC break above here. So if you look at the hourly, as you can see, we are kind of building a flag right here, right? That's good, which is good. On the hourly, it looks like we broke it already, but it has to get above 38K, right? So it looks like we broke through this resistance here, but in the same time, that's what's happening on the lower time frame is we are coming down, retesting this resistance, and then once we finish retesting that resistance, then expect for BTC to go up above this 38K area. Once we break above 38K area, be ready for more big green candles, right? Kind of like what's happening here, right? Breakout from 35,500. We broke out of it. We came down and retested. Then we continued on going forward. Then we had another flag form right here, right there, right? So what could happen here is we can either come back down, retest this support, right? And then continue going forward, or we could actually just stay up here, let the lines, let your EMAs, let your moving averages catch up, okay? Catch up with one another. So basically what's going to happen there is BTC will continue moving forward. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. All right. What's happening with XRP? XRP is consolidating. And usually when BTC dominance, let's go back to BTC dominance. As you can see, when BTC dominance is high like this, all right, it's going up. Yesterday was around 42, 42%. Now it's at 44%. And so we're just going to have to let that, hey, what's up? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, no, BTC dominance. It's pretty much, it's happened before where BTC dominance was going up like this. Basically, let's go back to where it was happening. Let's see here. Back like somewhere right up here, right? During this time frame here, BTC dominance was around 65% to 70%, right? Was that January? So January all the way through March, right? And then May, where's May, April, May, until we started seeing altcoins start to rally around around this area here, right? And so if you look at altcoins, right, January right here, January altcoins was rallying, right? Altcoins were rallying all the way to May, right? May, let's see here, March. Where's March? Right there. So once we see, let's see here, we'll figure it out if when altcoins will start to rally. So let's see here, put that right there. You got a resistance right there. And let's see here. You got support right there. Okay. So basically what this is telling you right here is altcoins will be consolidating until we break out of here, right? When we break out of here, BTC should have already hit somewhere up here, right? So basically what I said yesterday was dumadamo. Dumadam. Man, that's a deep word right there. That's one of the deep words I'm talking about. Basically the inflows. What up, Mr. Lex? How are you? So the inflows, right? If you're looking at the inflows of BTC, if I'm guessing that word correctly, dumadamo, like dumadame. Yeah, there you go. So I was right. If BTC's inflows, it's all good. All good. Pag dumadami ang inflow ng BTC, right? Meaning, here, let's see here. Where's BTC? Okay. So BTC right here, right? The inflows in BTC are the amount of money coming into BTC. That's the amount of, let me see if I could pull up a chart. 1 second. So what you want to do is you want to sometimes watch the inflow or even the outflow of money going in or out of BTC, right? Okay, here we go. So let's look at that real quick. So here it is. Hold on 1 second. Let's look at that. Let's see if I can. Hold on 1 second. Let me all right. Let me get this real quick. Okay. There it is. Sign in now. We're about to find out how much money is pouring into BTC. Skip that. There it is. All right, there we go. Oh, what did I just do? Oh, there we go. All right. Okay. So here's the amount of money coming into BTC. So you can see, let's see, inflow. There it is. So we are at the 10th right here. The last May 25th. Hold on. Mali. Hold on. Oh, this is daily. Hourly blog. June. So right here, it hasn't been recorded yet. But anyways, let's see here if I can expand it out. No, not that one. Okay. So the amount of money coming into BTC, and the amount of BTCs people are buying, I saw one, like it was a lot. It was a lot of BTCs. It was up in the millions. 141 million BTCs were poured in recently. Let's see if I can find price reserved. Where are you at though? This is the net flow. Okay. Hold on. Let me find it. I want to make sure. All right. So here is, you see how just the other day, around June 8th, where BTC was kind of going down, right? There was a huge outflow of money, right? How right here. So let's see if I can zoom in. No, we can't even zoom in there. Okay. You see how the outflow of money was going up around the the 8 when BTC was going down. So if you, so the 8 was around right here, right? And then if you go back to, where's my chart? Hold on. Wala. There we go. All right. So the outflow was going up, and then on June 8 right here, the inflow was going down, right? So when people started seeing the price of BTC dropping, right, towards 30K area where I have bear market and the alt season starts. So basically what that means is that where's the outflow, right? So what that means is that when BTC, if BTC was to drop towards 30K and then below, it's bear market. Remember, I just keep saying that it's bear market and alt season starts, right? So meaning, all the money that are outflowing from BTC will start inflowing into the alt season or alt market, right? Or altcoins. But since we are here on the on the inflow of money coming into BTC, right? So beginning June 8, it started rising, right? It started rising. And so that means when BTC started holding right here around 31K, and then it held really well right here because you got a buying pressure, right? All from the wicks, you got buying pressure. And so we can actually move that down here. Let me see. Right there. When BTC held 33K, the inflow chart shows you, where'd it go? The inflow chart shows you how money started coming back in, right? Started coming back in into the BTC market. And so I wish I can draw on this, but yeah. So as you can see right here, during June 3rd, where's June 3rd? Right? June 3rd, the inflow of money kind of went up, right? We had a little false breakout here, right? On June 3rd, and then it dropped again, right? So people started selling, and then how this chart shows is that the outflow was pretty big, right? How you have a downtrend right here, okay? And now the inflow is almost right above here, right above June 5th. So June 5th. So now you see how it's kind of tied into what's happening to the chart here. And so hold on, I think my mic is okay. Good. All right, so now you're starting to see more money coming into, BTC. And you're looking at several thousands of money going in here, right? Let's look at the volume. Where's the volume? Where's the volume? If you want to go look at the volume, yeah, I think it's right there. The volume that are coming in within the past 24 hours, there is 52 billion worth of volume pouring into BTC right now, right? Look at the altcoins. Look at the altcoins volume, right? They're really low, except Ethereum. Ethereum, if you go back to Ethereum right now is basically what's happening here is maintaining this, this area here, right? Just that area. So, but you are maintaining this support level here. Here, we should have Ethereum break out of this level here. So, it could break out, it could break down, but I'm leaning more to the upside. So I've always believed that, we still have more upside to go. Right? Back when people were bearish, I've always been bullish about BTC and the whole market, I guess. But here's where your Ethereum is at. Once we start breaking up above here, then you should see some type of bounce from the altcoins as well. But so far, your altcoins will be consolidating until BTC hits, a price right above here. You need to get back above the 200 EMA, all right? And then you need to stay and have a daily candle close right up here for BTC to remain bullish, right? And so if for some reason we get rejected from the 38K, right? So if we get rejected to the 38K, then expect more downside towards 30K. All right. But I'm not expecting for BTC to break below 38K. All right. Oh no, 30K, I'm sorry. Because if for any reason we break below 30K, then I believe alt season will start to rally. Money will pour out to BTC, right? Pour out of BTC into the altcoins, mainly the altcoins that has not, rallied yet. Until the altcoins that has not rallied catches up, from to all these different altcoins that are already way up there, right? And then consolidate. BTC will finish retracing, and then once BTC finish retracing, altcoins will take over, and then continue to the last leg up, pretty much. All right, and so BTC has to break this area of support right here. Once it goes down, it will break this area of support. But then again, I just don't think BTC will drop anymore due to the fact that it's got this what is this, falling wedge, right? Falling wedge pattern, meaning this is a pretty much a strong reversal pattern for BTC, right? So right now you're having a bit of an indecision candle here, Indecision Doji. When take profit. Uh, to be honest with you, man, I don't know. My take profit is still $10. Ever since at the very beginning. I've not sold any XRPs. Uh, but I have sold like 70% of my portfolio already before BTC dropped. Um, you know, but for XRP, my target is $10. I'll only sell like a little bit too. I'm not gonna sell everything. I'm only gonna sell like, I don't know, maybe a couple thousand coins, and then hold the rest just in case it goes to 20, right? And then once it hits 20, I'll sell a couple thousand more. Once it hits you know, $50, then I'll sell like just a little bit more. And then once they hit $100, right there, I don't even know if I want to sell anymore. I want to keep holding. But just because if it can go to $100, why not 200? Why not 1,000, right? But the average waiting time for long-term investors is about 3 to 5 years, right? 3 to 5 years, you're good to go. You have profit, you made money, and you do whatever you want with it. Me, honestly, what I do is I just continue to reinvest, because I mean, let's just say you have let's just say you have like 500 coins, 500 XRPs. I mean, you do the math, right? How much do you need? And then only sell the amount that you need, right? You don't sell everything. You need to leave some behind, because you never know what price it can go up to, right? So it's so funny, man, because people were just like, they don't believe XRP can go any higher because they say, oh, market cap. It's not true. Market cap does not have to do, like, it doesn't do anything for the price of XRP. That's just the amount of money. Well, with XRP it's a little bit different because of the SEC lawsuit and everything. I believe, I don't know if you guys like conspiracy. I'm not a big time conspiracy theorist, but in the same time, I think there is a little bit of conspiracy with XRP due to the fact that it's it's not just because it's popular, but it's because of the use case and the utility with XRP, and that the SEC lawsuit they know this a long time ago. They already know this, and they are just they're holding you back. Okay, they're scaring retail investors. They don't have any confidence in trading XRP. Even sometimes big investors, they don't have the confidence to buy XRP. But the ones that do, I mean, they already know. They already have, right? Where's that at? Hold on. So let's see if I can find it. There it is. Look at the rich list, right? And look at how many people. If I can, let's see, existing XRP, go to percentage, non-escrowed, all right? So here's how many people actually own XRP. Existing XRP. Let's see if I can find it. So this is total globally, okay? This is globally. 10% of the people in this planet owns about 2,000 XRPs, right? Starting from, um, I don't know what date this is. Oh, right here, 318. Oh, okay, never mind. So as of March to June, right? So people sold right here. People sold XRPs, right? People that are, I guess this is your short term holders or whatever, are selling XRPs, and then you have some that are up here. Well, I guess mainly everybody, but then as you move on, to the higher amount of holders, you're starting to see a curve, right? You're starting to see a curve in holders of XRP. And then over here, for some reason, around 0.2% of the holders that have 263,000 XRPs, they have not moved. So basically, what I'm thinking, these people pretty much already have like enough XRP and they're not accumulating anymore or something like that. I don't know. But you're starting to see a little bit of, a curve here, a little bit, not too much. And that's not been a lot of people, right? So far, the amount of holders with XRP are about 3 million people, right? Total accounts. So it maybe not even people, it's just that accounts, because a person can have multiple accounts, right? But it tells you like how many people hold about 0 to 19 XRPs. 223, what is that, 2 billion, right? 20 or 22 million people hold about 20 XRP to about 500 XRPs, which is equivalent to, I guess, right? Which is equivalent to about 132 million XRPs. And then over here, it's just that's a lot of XRPs. Where do you think I stand? Oh man. I've added some more XRPs lately. I bought more. I bought the dip. Since we're getting really close to the SEC lawsuit settling, I guess, then rich list index, enter your wallet. I don't know what that is, but yeah. Stats, live TX, escrows. Where did I find? Hold on, let me see if I can find flow indicator. So the orange is the fund flow. Kind of consolidated here. Let's go up to that. There we go. Yeah, the inflow of money is finally starting to catch up with the chart. So June 5th, outflow was bad, and then now we're starting to curve in and catch up with the chart. And then you have the price of XRP, or the price of BTC is at, what is that, 37.39. So yeah, 37k BTC people are still buying, right? That's crazy. Whale ratio. So right here, this one tells you total for all exchanges. So dang, that's crazy. Okay, so you have the price of the price of BTC, and then the amount of money going into exchanges are kind of going pretty much on top of the like over here back in November, it's starting to, pretty much tell you that money is going into these exchanges to buy BTC. All right. Miners position. Wow. So ever since the news, the mining, all the banning and stuff like that happened, look at the mining. It's dying. That's crazy. Stable coins. So, okay, I see. Okay. Stable coins. Trying to understand what the stable coins is. Looks like people are either people started selling. Okay, people were holding more of holding here, and then they sold here, right? They sold here, I guess. I don't know. I don't know about that part. Derivative exchanges. Okay, this is futures. Dang. People short in the market. Spot trading, Binance stable coins. That's dope. Curve here. UB, Kraken. Oh, it shows you all kinds of exchanges. That's dope. I like this. I'm gonna save this. How do I save it? There we go. What up? What's going on, everybody? I had something to say about BTC. What was it? I forgot already. Let's see. All right. 4 hours, 1 hour. Okay, 15 minutes. So yeah. See how like over here BTC did touch that moving average, right? So now you have a green candle. What you want for this green candle is to trade above this blue line, or this blue line here, right? Kind of trade sideways until you get out of this this resistance right here, right? So you'll start to get out of this resistance and then break out. 38K is pretty much that level where you need to break out of. 38K, 38,500, things like that before BTC breaks out. XRP. So you're starting to notice altcoins kind of just ranging, right? So when altcoin starts to range like this, basically it's waiting, right? It's waiting. So you have a little bit of a, what is that? Like a head and shoulders in the works right there. What you need XRP to do is just hold the line right here, consolidate here, get above this green line, then, and then just wait for the whole total altcoins, that's including Ethereum, to break out, right? Break out daily. Let's go to 8 hours. Break out of here. Ethereum, same thing, break out of here. Ethereum is, Ethereum and BTC are always the ones that are leading the way anyways. And so in some cases, let's see, here's actually what could happen. Since Ethereum was taking the lead this cycle, right? Look, hold on, let's see where compare BTC. See how Ethereum was kind of like, here's BTC, right? Ethereum was taking the lead, and then now BTC is trying to go up. So BTC could actually take the lead from here, right? And then once BTC and Ethereum kind of sinks in, you know what I mean? They start moving as a pair. Then altcoins will follow Ethereum and BTC as well. And so for now, you need the altcoins to consolidate a little bit further on until BTC and Ethereum catches up together. So there's a chart for that. I just have to find it. Let me see if I can find it. Let me see. Where you at though? There is a chart for that. I just have to find it. We'll be forced into settlement if the people here fair notice defense can defeat any claim. Okay. Did not. So news came out about 31 minutes ago. How they're saying that the SEC will be forced into settlement if the judge sides with Ripple. A fair notice defense can defeat any claim involving an investment product that is not identical to one previous deemed a security. So that's a pretty big news. Since the SEC just keeps on basically like trying to prolong the case even more by trying to extend they have extended the case now several times, and the judge had asked them to provide documents regarding BTC and ETH, and they failed to do that twice. And now they want to extend the case even more for another 60 days. And then Ripple replied back with another document declining, right? They're basically declining that 60-day extension. And so now SEC is kind of getting a little bit more aggressive as far as how the judge and the court is handling that whole thing towards the SEC. And so I think the judge will eventually, just run out of patience and side with Ripple. I mean, the SEC failed to comply several times. They don't have the proper documents for how many years now, and it's just not a good look for the SEC. So what could happen is if the SEC loses this and then they are forced to settle, they're going to be having a hard time trying to start another lawsuit towards basically another crypto, depending on the crypto. So if the crypto has a utility and it has what do you call it, some type of meaning behind that crypto particular, then all the ones that don't have it are going to be the ones that are going to be in trouble, right? The ones that don't have utility, right? Here's another reason why I think owning a bad crypto is bad for your portfolio, is because all the SEC got to do. What happened? Oh, I see. All the SEC got to do is what they were trying to do with XRP or with Ripple is well, it's not technically like they're not gonna do it like 100%, but they can get they can what do you call it, somehow drive the company bankrupt by trying to prolong the case even more. until the company basically just cannot afford it, right? BTC moving. Yeah, there it is. So, but there's a reason, there's a way where, there's a limit to what the SEC can do. They're not supposed to do that to where they basically bankrupt the company, but they can. There is a way. 15 USD TP 50%. But yeah, no, anyways, but that's what it is. 50 for futures. Nice. You guys want to see let's see here, where is my 38k? Most importantly, right there. We need to get back above there. And yeah. Nice. You played futures and you got 50%. That's dope. That is pretty good. Hey, that's 50%. I have a position that I haven't closed out yet. I was trying this new where'd it go? I was trying this new exchange. And I said, you know what? I am gonna try this new exchange. Just because, I want to know how good the platform looks, and I want to know if it's easy for me to use. And so far so good. I placed an order a couple days ago at $130, I guess. And so far I'm up 55%. So I guess that's good. I'll be transferring more funds in here soon. Just depends. This one even, shows you. I want to hold it actually. What if I want to hold it until XRP gets to $1? I'll make $415. If I want to hold it until XRP gets to $2, that's $3,300. If I hold it until XRP gets to $5, hold on, not 58. That would be dope though. If just $5, $5 XRP, I'll make about 12 grand. That's crazy. That's if XRP doesn't drop towards my liquidation price, which is 82 cents. Then I'll be doing good. The reason I wanted to try this is because I can do 20x leverage here. But with KuCoin, since it's not really, regulated here in US, then I can't really up my leverage. But yeah, it's pretty dope. I like it. I'm up 60% now. It was up a lot higher. Like whenever it was up here, it was like, it was a lot, which is good. I mean, for a small amount, I mean, that's pretty good. Where are you at? So somebody wanted to know how to close it out. Discuss making Bitcoin illegal. SEC versus Ripple. Yeah, Senator discussed banning Bitcoin worldwide. Nah, that's just FUD. That's just FUD. That's probably old news now. Okay. Look at the. All you gotta do is just like. Let's see how big that news is, right? 270 million extra sheep through exchanges. Ripple keeps moving. So secretly, XRP, like millions of XRP, has been getting transferred around exchanges. One of them was Binance, and then apparently right now Huobi. Okay, Ripple. There's news coming out with SEC citing irrelevant evidence in the XRP lawsuit, which is dumb. As crypto firms lobbying one. Ripple and Coinbase lead as crypto firms step up lobbying in Washington. Did you guys see the news on Coinbase upping the interest? I don't know what do you call that, the loans, and then they have a 401. I think it was like IRA or 401k or something like that. Good news for BTC. So basically, you can borrow money using your BTC, and they're spreading that across the US. And so, big news yun. Just more partnership in winning XRP. Kong. That's huge. Ripple partner with Airwallex and Visa in Hong Kong. Commissioner speaks out against stringent crime. Commissioner Haster, stringent cryptocurrency regulations. No news. Dang, Ring of Fire 3 minutes ago is happening. Are you guys? Is it nighttime there? Is it? Do you guys see the solar eclipse? Are you guys seeing that? It is live. That is dope. That is dope. All right. Oh, dang. I don't know if you guys are able to see the Ring of Fire, but 6 minutes ago, that is crazy. It's happening right now. I think that's pretty cool. Pretty cool to see. But if you guys ever want to see or check news, some of you guys already do it, but I always check Twitter, because that's where you're gonna get fastest news. With sell rating. Ooh, Coinbase stock hit with sell rating. That sucks. Elizabeth Warren slammed Bitcoin energy consumption during Senate Banking Committee hearing a potential bill over the CBDC. Yeah, that's old news. Keep an eye on the price. I think this drop here was that, since that came out, just a few minutes ago. Yeah, 3 hours ago. It would have hit price pretty drastically, but right now, I mean, I think that's what that is. But so far, I mean, we're doing pretty good. Elizabeth Warren, this needs more regulation. Yeah, Elizabeth Warren, what she know about cryptocurrency? You got all these guys, like you got all these big people up in the government wanting regulation and everything like that. America, man, you guys don't know. We live in the pay as you play type deal. They just want money all the time. Do you guys understand how we are taxed here? We are taxed for everything that we do, right? We pay taxes for the money we make, and then we have to pay taxes again to spend the money, and then yeah, it sucks. and then we pay taxes on the tax money that we pay, or we're supposed to get paid with. It's crazy. At the end of the year, you have merong ang ano, yung refund where you already paid taxes on it, and then they're gonna take out more taxes because it's stupid. And now they wanna just charge everything. It's crazy. What is that? Coinbase. I see. XRP price shows strength dip, success victories, and SEC case. Ooh, 6 hours ago. So basically, what they're saying now is that XRP's price is holding really well, because they are leaning towards XRP's win, basically, from the SEC. So, which is good. Good news for XRP. Now we just need to make it official, right? So there is some type of confidence with XRP now. There is confidence in XRP, investors' confidence, but we just need to make it official, to make it say it, or say it on paper, that we are good to go. And then so you have to think about more money coming into to XRP, right? And then pretty much the FOMO into the XRP, the institutional, the relisting of XRP from the different exchanges. So those things are that are gonna be in play, right? And once that happens, I mean, it's just all out craziness with XRP. Good stuff. Let's see what else we got going on. Today is kind of a slow day. I'm kind of like, I don't know. I got a lot of things I gotta do today. It sucks, but it's all good. I'm still in the market for a table. I have not found a table yet. I'm probably just gonna buy one of those gaming table that they have on Newegg and get it over with. I don't know. But ladies and gentlemen, it is time. It is time. Once again, I appreciate you all for being here. It's always a pleasure to be around you guys. Very, very cool. You guys are awesome. I don't know how else to thank you for being here. But, ladies and gentlemen, we could change the rule. We could change the rules on the giveaway. You have to be on the stream during that giveaway. Oh, that'd be dope. Where you at? So you have to be on a stream during the giveaway. What if, right? What if we change it to that? Make it fair for people, because some people are not here to learn. Some people are here to copy off of other people's trades. The reason why I don't give you guys trades, I don't give you guys plays a lot, because I don't want to mess with your money. That's what I'm saying. I don't want to mess with it. What if I make a wrong trade, right? And then I share my trades with you guys, right? And then you lose money and then I lost money, and now we have a pissed off group, right? That's why I don't give you guys any plays. I give you guys charts, so that way you guys can kind of see how use the charting for yourself. Use the lines, the indicators, the support and resistance, and things like that, for your benefit, right? You make your own decision. And that's one of the best ways to learn is you knowing, okay, what that does, and you deciding where to place your trades, right? You can always ask me though. I mean, you can always ask me if, like, did I do this right? And some people do. People like, oh, did I do this right? And I'll tell you yes or no, right? And so, you know, I don't ever want to do that to you guys. If anything, I don't want to mess with your income, because you guys work hard for it, and me just messing with it, it's like, okay, yeah, I'm not. If I wanted to do that, I did it once and I stopped doing it, but I used to charge, but it wasn't fair to the ones that, in the general group. So I stopped charging. But that's what it is. If I want to charge again, it's probably going to be later on, like when we hit like 5,000 members or 10,000 members, I'll do an option, but that's it. But ladies and gentlemen, it is time. I'll see you guys on the next video. If you have any questions, concerns, recommendations, or anything like that, feel free to reach out to me on a Discord channel, Instagram, or Twitter. I'm actually pretty active on Twitter if you guys want to follow me. But that's it. I'll see you guys later. Appreciate it, guys.
Stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? Whatever you want, I'll be whatever you want. Just tell me you love me or not, whatever it costs. I know I'm talking a lot, there's something I gotta get off. Don't wanna be this no more, I don't wanna drink no more. Always gotta do the most, thinking that I'm insecure. Really should've listened more, but I don't, of course. I'm an asshole, I'm a good guy, I'm your best friend, I'm the worst type. Tell you everything that you heard right, just so I can fuck on the first night. Feel like I'm losing hope, running from coast to coast. I don't know where to go, this all I've ever known. I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way,